Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. In today's video, we are going to be painting snowdrops flower in watercolor, and I have a pre-drawn these flowers with pencils to make a good composition for the painting as usual. This right side of the drawing. And I'm going to use this oil painting brush and a synthetic brush for remove colors from background. It's Bokeh Effect. That is very have fun. Let's start by wetting the background of the paper with plenty of water. However, not to apply water to the flowers area, because when you add a darker color to the background, that color can go into the flower area easily. So be careful. Okay, next, first let's apply light purple with large, large and round brush using free brush strokes. So move your brush here and there and use the free brush strokes. The paper is very damp, so the paint spread nicely. This is the first layer. Next, we are going to tilt the paper side to side, back and forth. Next, I add a mixture of indigo and a touch of quinacridone magenta to the outside of the flower area. I'm applying the colors very carefully because I don't want the colors go into flowers area. You'd better create a darker area around what you want to make pop out. That's why you should apply the darkest color around the flowers. Next, I'm mixing indigo and quinacridone magenta because I want to apply the mixture to the darkest dark indigo background for various colors of the background. And try one more time, tilt the paper in different direction to merge colors naturally, moving it side to side and back and forth. Now I'm adding a sort of dark green. It's a kind of olive green color. Put it put it lower part of the paper. Actually, that is some leaves and stems, flowers stems. Next, I want to spread some colors to the background. So I'm getting the quinacridone magenta mix some indigo color. I'm splashing in the background area. Let's use a brush to pick up colors and make distance flower. Since the paint on the paper has not dried yet, so you can remove it with a cream brush. It may not work at once. So let's try it again slowly. Okay, next I want to remove the colors from the paper where I want to the stems to be using a cream brush and paper towel for the stems. But still the background color is so dark that you cannot sketch it clearly. But since you know the shape of the flower, so you will be able to draw it slowly and well. I want to get very dark, creamy bluish green for leaves. So I'm mixing sap green and quinacridone magenta and indigo. So I'm adding it to lower part of the paper using a quick brush stroke. Yeah, so far we have created the effect of colors blending naturally into each other. The paper is wet. So now we will wait until the paper is completely dry and then draw some detail area on it again. Let's meet soon again. Okay, the paper is completely dry. We are going to create flowers with a light value of indigo using a small brush. Now I'm using a indigo color, but if you don't have indigo, you can use a sepia or some kind of bluish color. You can use it. Next, I'm touching the top of the flower with light value of green. And next, we are going to add the flower in the distance area with light value of indigo color. You can tie the flowers here and there with indigo and or light purple. Let's draw stems with the mixture of indigo and sap green and the indigo, sap green, and magenta. So I got very darkest bluish color. Okay, now let's express something like water droplets faintly visible in the distance. This is a bokeh effect used in camera, which creates the feelings of a faint distance. Simply rub the paper with an oil painting brush and blot out water with a paper towel. While doing this, make sure to rub it lightly to avoid damaging the paper. So I will change the brush to a Da Vinci synthetic brush, which is a bit softer than the oil painting brush. It's entirely up to you. So you can use whichever brush you have, oil paint brush or a synthetic brush or just a watercolor brush. You can use it. Now it's time to tie up the rough end of the petals with a clean synthetic brush. You can use any brush, okay? Lastly, we will add splashes here and there to the background with the color we painted the petals. Okay, we are all done with this painting. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.